Alright, this is my attempt to put a tutorial out on how to run a Teamspeak3 server as a Windows system service on Windows 8. I am currently running one in the background, just to show you here. It is a fully functional system service. I have no notification icons of any kind showing that it is running. It's fully operational. I can access my servers, do anything I want. Alright, what you'll need for this is a system admin program to admin the services. Cuts out a lot of the extra tools and command line work needed. I will provide a link in the description of the video for it. And you'll need a Teamspeak3 add-on called Teamspeak Service Wrapper. It's available for download on the add-on site at teamspeak.com. I will add a link to it in the description as well. Right now, what you need to do is download those files, get the Teamspeak wrapper and the service manager extracted to your desktop. And once you open the Teamspeak Service Wrapper file, there will be 5 files. I have to re-download it, or I have to re-extract it because I've already tried this once. Alright. You extract these files onto your desktop. You can use 7-zip, JZip, whatever you have installed, user preference. Alright. Initially there will be 5 files in the zip, 3 of which you can delete. Install.bat, installation help, and uninstall. The method to install this actually use Windows Server 2008 resource tools that are not available in a non-server edition of Windows without extra downloads. They are not needed to install this. You just have to do it manually, which is very easy. Right now we're going to edit the wrapper config to point to the server. We are going to put in our server directory wherever your Teamspeak server is running at the moment. We are going to put in the startup file of the server, which is the executable that you start your server from. You will put in the full path including the exe. Quarry port, I'm sure you know that is 10011. The Quarry IP can stay to the default. Hidden process, that is user preference. You can do whatever you want with that. Set it to false, set it to true. Me personally, I haven't seen any differences. I do not think that it works. But once you have these set to the values that you need, you are going to copy and paste these into your Teamspeak server directory. I have already done this. I have mine completely set up as it is running in the background at the moment. Alright. This is my setup. My startup file is at my server directory. Working directory is also there. I have my Quarry port and IP port set, and I have my high process set to false. But as you can see, I have no command lines running, so I don't think that works. Alright, once that is set up, you want to exit out of this. You can exit out of these windows. You want to open up the service manager that is included. You will have to run this as system administrator. I cannot guarantee that the changes will stick otherwise. So you want to right click, run as administrator. Okay. Once you open this up, it's a very simple program, one interface, one menu. You'll have your list of system services. As you can see, I've already got my system service set. I'm going to hit properties, but the same window will come up when you hit add service. So you want to hit add service and start filling these in. I will leave my server up here on the screen for a moment. you want to the external service, and user visible names are whatever you want set. They can be the same, they can be different, doesn't matter, as long as you know what they are and you can find them. The binary path is to the service wrapper, not your server executable. You need it to set to the service wrapper. You want to set it as a Win32 owned process. Interactive service, start mode will be auto. Log on system account, as you can see, is local system. The password and groups stay blank. You can hit OK. Then you will see the system service right here in your list. If it is not started, this will say start service. You can start it up, or you can just restart your computer. It will start and run. You will not see a notification down here. To check and see if it is running, you will either have to run a Teamspeak query, or you will have to log on to your server to see if it is running. And that is it. You should have a fully functional Teamspeak service now. It works just as any regular Teamspeak service. To uninstall, you just delete the service and remove the files out of your Teamspeak server directory. Simple as all can be. I will add the links in the description to the tools needed. Thank you and have a nice day.